Have you ever wondered how to change behavior? How to improve somebody's life by increasing their positive behaviors and decreasing their negative behaviors? And maybe that person is you? If so, then this is the course for you, because this is Functional Analysis of Behavior 1. And if you've ever wondered what is in store for you during this course, then this is the video for you. Hi, my name is Dr. Igor Juricevic, your professor for this journey. Let's do this. All right, this video is designed to help you get started in this course. So we're going to be covering three things. First off is Canvas. So you already know how to use Canvas, because I know that because you're watching this video, but Canvas is going to be very important. That is the hub for this internet course. Secondly, is going to be some of the features in Canvas, specifically two I want you to be aware of. First off are the weekly checklists. So the weekly checklists are your way of keeping track of exactly what you need to do and the steps you need to take each week in this course. And third, we have the weekly homework assignments. The weekly homework assignments are your chance to engage in hands-on activities and get real-world experience incorporating the techniques, the strategies, the concepts that we learn in this course. And what we're going to be doing with this is you're going to get real-world experience by employing these behavior modification techniques on yourself. That's right, we're going to be using the course that you're taking in order to improve your own life by, again, increasing those positive behaviors, and then later on, maybe decreasing some of those negative behaviors that you wish you didn't have. Now, it's very important to know at the offset that the weekly homework assignments have a multi-day commitment. So you need to commit 5 days a week for these weekly homework assignments. So you can't just complete them all in one day because of the nature of the things that we're going to be doing. You need to set aside time to do this every single day. Now, the actual amount of time that you'll be spending on this every day is minimal, but again, it is very important that you do hit these assignments every single day during the week. Oh yeah, and you can take the weekends off. We're only looking for 5 out of the 7 days. So wherever that fits into your schedule, that's when you would do it. All right, so the last thing I wanted to address in this video is the aesthetics of the video. So you might have noticed that there's a lot of comic book imagery in these presentations, and I do that for two reasons. First reason is that is my main research focus. So I take a look at comics in order to discover things about the human mind. So we have this vast resource of images, communications, stories, and I take a look at those to determine what does that say about how our mind works. So if you're interested in seeing some of my work, I've put up some links to open access resources that you can take a look at. No subscriptions required. This is free to everyone. And also, if you're interested in this kind of thing and taking a look at popular culture and figuring out what does that say about how our mind works, I encourage you, go visit my friends at PopMech. That is the Association for U.S. Popular Culture Studies. They do a lot of great work taking a look at popular culture and saying, what does that say about us as human beings? So that's reason number one. Reason number two is that I wanted to feature a rather unknown artist of the golden age. So you'll notice that all of these comic book images, they come from a golden age time. It was important for me to do this because these are public access or public domain comic books. So you have the freedom to access free of charge. I highly encourage, if you are interested in some of this art, go to Comic Book Plus, give them a look-see. But I really wanted to focus on the art of Matt Baker. So Matt Baker came to my attention from the book Invisible Men, the Trailblazing Black Artists of Comic Books. And he is a underappreciated genius of the form. So I wanted to bring him a little bit more exposure in whatever way that I can. So just to give him a little bit more of the recognition that he deserves. So I decided to feature his artwork. So while we will have art from other artists, predominantly we're going to be using the images of Matt Baker to give you the visual impact for these presentations. All right, so in this getting started video, we covered the importance of Canvas, we covered the weekly checklists, we covered the weekly homework assignments with that 5 out of 7 day commitment, and we told you a little bit about my work as a comic book artist and the fact that we're going to be featuring the artwork of the magnificently talented Matt Baker. So that's it for this video. Join me next time when we start off our look at some of the concepts in this course with a very basic overview of what is applied behavior analysis. So until then, stay frosty, stay functional, and I'll see you next time. To help you improve some of your own behaviors so that you can increase. That was a good take, but